Have you ever heard about somatic shaking? It's a method where you shake stress out of your body, out of your nervous system. So every day, it's like we're piling stress on top of stress, and we need a way to release that out of our body. And one of the ways that we do that is through a technique called somatic shaking, where we shake the body. So have you ever seen maybe like a video where an animal almost got eaten and then it just shakes? Or maybe even with your dog, your pet, when something stressful happens, they just, whoa, they do a quick shake. It's their nervous system just by instinct trying to reset itself. And we are going to do a somatic shaking exercise using belly dance, because belly dance is such a powerful technique, even just a few minutes a day to really shake stress out of your body and reset your nervous system in a very powerful way. So the best way to do that is with our belly dance movement called the shimmy. So let's talk about this movement here. So when we do a shimmy, it's very similar, oh, I feel like this is falling down, to when you have to pee. I think you know that feeling where you're doing one of these things, right? So that's kind of what a shimmy is, but we just make it a little bit looser. So instead of doing this move, which again is like this weird instinctive thing that we know how to do, we just make it looser. Okay, and I also really want you to get this feeling of really tuning into your hips and trying to let your hips just naturally relax and release. So we tend to carry a lot of stress in our hips, and I just want you to just consciously try to tell your hips to relax, and you might even need to slow down a little bit. Experiment with that. Slow it down, speed it up, and the knees are just going back, 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 back. It can help me sometimes if I think about pressing through my heels or pressing my foot into the ground. So I'm just pressing into the ground. It's like it's giving me something to press against. So we got the shaking in our legs, and the more you can relax into this, the better you will feel that reset and that release. And also, I used to be a Chinese medicine practitioner, and from a Chinese medicine perspective, shimmying is so great for moving your qi, moving your energy, especially if you're sitting all day at your desk, you're working, you have more of a sedentary lifestyle. We have to get that blood flowing and moving. So now let's do a shaking with our upper body with our shoulder shimmy. So let's talk about this. Let's just kind of break it down a little bit. So first we're just moving one shoulder forward while the other one is back. Forward, back, like this. And then when we speed it up, we make the movement smaller and looser. So here we're very controlled. Here we're just keeping it really loose. The looser the better. Same with the top and the bottom. Ooh, nice and loose. And you can even, I mean, we're not really gonna shake our head, but I mean, you wanna get this feeling that you're like shaking stress out of your body. So what we're gonna do, and you could even just add some like bounces and shakes in between, just woo, and you really feel it. And you wanna remember, just checking my microphone, to breathe as you do that, because your stress is really connected with your breath. So I already feel a difference. I don't know about you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just alternate. So we're gonna do some shoulder shimmies, and then we're gonna switch to our hip shimmies or our leg shimmies. So you do that for a little bit, and then you switch to here. Get that good shoulder shimmy going, and it's fun. You could even go side to side if you want to add a little bit more belly dance vibe to it. And then going into your legs, really focusing on that relaxation in the legs, relaxation in the hips. And just like feel your chest open. That's another thing. You know, when we're sitting all day, like let's say if we're at a computer, we're like this, right? We don't even know that we're doing it. And it makes us feel internally more contracted. So when you can change how you feel, how you think by what you do with your body. So if you're sitting like this all day, you're gonna feel a certain way. If you open up your chest, it automatically, you feel more open, you feel more light, and you will also be able to carry this awareness into your day. So I really highly recommend you do this practice just for a few minutes each day. Just makes such a difference. If you've been sitting at your desk for 50 minutes, get up, maybe even set your timer, 3 minutes of this belly dance somatic shaking, and see how you feel. Make a mental note how you felt before and how you felt after. You're just gonna alternate your leg shimmies with your shoulder shimmies, and you're just gonna go back and forth. You're gonna remember to breathe. You can do some bouncing, you can do some shaking, and just get that really beautiful reset. How did you like this video? How do you feel now versus how you felt when you started? Please comment below. I really wanna know how this felt for you, and we'll see you in another video.